I think it's here. There it is, my essential kit. I am so excited. I have been waiting for this. I cannot wait to look at everything that is inside. Hey guys, what's up? I am so excited. I just got my essential kit from Seint in the mail. Super funny, I was actually just tracking the package, and right after I got done tracking it, it showed up on my doorstep. So I'm super pumped to open this with you guys today and show you what's in here. Okay, don't judge me, I am still in my jammies today. I've done nothing with my hair or my makeup, obviously. So I've just been watching Bachelorette this morning, which I honestly kind of think this is like the worst season yet, but I'm still watching it because I want to see all the drama that unfolds. I'm watching the finale right now, even though it aired like 2 weeks ago. Okay, so I got the smaller box. So this is the smallest package you can get. This was $99. I didn't want to chance not getting my correct shades with the basic kit, so I went ahead and just ordered my shades that I already know that I'll need, and then I ordered the essential kit just to get the brushes and started and everything. So in here we have a ton of packing paper. So let's see. Okay, so I got a cute little sleeve here. I believe this is like the reusable rounds. Okay, so little package here. So the essential kit comes with these reusable rounds. I believe they're used for taking your makeup off and stuff. Let's see, I'm actually gonna, let me Google that, or Google it, look it up on the website, whatever. Okay, reusable rounds, they're $21. You can get them in a charcoal package or this white one that it came in. So soft to the touch and durable, our reusable microfiber rounds cleanse deep into pores, making these an essential addition to your daily skincare routine. With 5 rounds per bag, simply hand wash, air dry, and reuse. I don't know if I'll use these. I'm not really sure yet. If I do use them, I'll keep you updated. But honestly, I just wash my skin with just a gentle face cleanser. I don't use any like abrasive materials or anything to like really scrub my face with. It might be good for days that I want to like exfoliate, but I find like if you use like a washcloth and stuff that they're like, it can be too abrasive on the skin. So I don't love to use that kind of stuff to take my makeup off personally, but they do say they're soft to the touch, so they might be all right for that. We'll see. So I'm gonna take all this out. I'm gonna throw it on my floor and vacuum it up later, I guess. Okay, so here are the contents of the package without all that packing paper in. But the second thing we have here is this cute little palette. So this is what the tins are gonna go into. So this is super cute. Sorry about the glare. It says Seint on the packaging. So this, you open it up and your little tins fit right into these little magnetic trays here. So you have one side that fits 4, so you can have like your face products, then you can have like eyeshadows on the other side. I don't love the silver one. I might use this in like a giveaway here soon. I did order a separate palette that I liked better on the website when I ordered my tins. In my next video, I'll show you guys how the tins fit in here once I get my makeup, which should be coming tomorrow. So I'll do another video on all that. But yeah, this is super cute. Like just imagine using this as like travel friendly, like just having all your makeup in this one compact. I think that is so awesome and so handy. And I love like simple makeup. Like I love the simplicity of just like being able to throw like a compact or whatever in your bag. Like the more travel friendly and the simpler products are, the more I love them for some reason. I just love the convenience and everything of that. And next we have a brush cleanser. Sweet, okay. I didn't even really look to see what was in the essential kit. I knew it came with brushes and stuff, but I did not realize it came with a brush cleanser, which I'm super excited about. I already have a brush cleanser, but I'm excited to try this one out. And the packaging is super sleek, super pretty. I love that. I'm a sucker for the simple packaging for sure. I'm gonna see. Oh, it's a spray, okay. So I guess you just spray. Yeah, so spray onto bristles and gently wipe on clean cloth to remove makeup from brush. Repeat if necessary, but do not oversaturate. Allow to air dry. Okay, cool. I like that. And this is one of the brushes. So this is an eyeshadow brush designed for a broad spectrum of eyeshadow application. Okay, cute. So it's like a little transition shadow brush. I love these kind of brushes. Usually when I do my eyeshadow, I do it messily anyway. So I will definitely be putting this to use. And then it has like a little like smudger brush on the other side. Love a dual-ended brush. And the bristles feel so soft too. I'm excited to use those. Okay, and then we have this brush here. So this is a line brush, so designed for controlled line application. So I'm guessing this is the eyebrow brush I was talking about in my last video. Oh yeah. Okay, so you can use this as like a liner brush to like line your lash line, or you can use this to fill in the eyebrows. Perfect. It's nice and stiff on the end, so I feel like you'll really be able to get in there. And then it has a spoolie on the end, which I love because I'm always pulling out a spoolie on a separate eyebrow pencil when I'm using my contour to fill in my eyebrows, so that'll be perfect. Okay, and then we have, this is the blush and bronzer application brush. Okay, sweet. So it has a big fluffy brush on one end, so it'll just give like a nice light application. And then on this end, the bristles are a little denser. So if you want a fuller application, you can use that end. The bristles are super soft. They feel really nice on the skin. I'm actually curious to use this. I believe this end can be used for foundation as well. Like if you want a lighter coverage, which as you guys know, a lighter coverage is my jam. This brush right here alone retails for $40 and I got this whole kit for $99. So that right there shows the value of the kit alone. So it says, use the smaller domed end to apply blush right into the apples of your cheeks and blend. Use the larger fluffy end for applying a subtle touch of cream or powder bronzer. You're gonna use the denser end for the blush on the apples of your cheeks, which honestly, when I do blush, I like go up anyways and pretty much apply it like I'm doing bronzer just for like a more natural look anyways. And then, yeah, the fluffy end is for applying a subtle touch of bronzer, which if you guys know me and watch my channel, you know I like to go all out with my bronzer. So we'll see how I will be using this. We'll see. And I'm excited about this product. So this is their Perfector Sponge. So it's basically a beauty blender. Love me a good beauty blender. And this is only $16 and it comes in this cute little tin. So you want to dampen the sponge, squeeze it out, just like you would a beauty blender. Gently dab over your makeup to blend. Be sure to cleanse your sponge after each application and allow to air dry. So this is just to like seamlessly blend your makeup. And it also picks up like any excess product. So that way if you're like too heavy with your application, you can use this to go ahead and pick up any excess. Ooh, it feels really nice. I hate when beauty blenders are super stiff. And this one's actually really soft and bouncy. Ooh, I like that. I think that will be really nice. Really excited to use this. I love anything that's gonna give me like a nice dewy natural finish. So right up my alley here. I usually prefer like, as long as it's not gonna like soak up my product, I typically prefer a beauty blender over a brush. And I love that it came in this little tin, like so cute. Love that. And then the last thing we have is a lip conditioner. So it comes in a cute little tin like this. And so basically it's just a chapstick for your lips. So right here, isn't the packaging, like the tins, the packaging is so cute. Like all of them have this cute little detailed lid and I love it so much. I think it's adorable. So I'm gonna open this. I'm actually gonna try this. So this is still 4 grams of product. So just like all the other tins, you get 4 grams in here. So I can imagine this is gonna last so long. Ooh, and it's minty. I like that. I wasn't sure. I thought maybe it'd just be like plain by the looks of it, but it's actually kind of minty, which I love. Has like a slight tingle, nothing overpowering. Like if you don't like the tingle that lip balms give, you know, when they're minty, I think you would like this because it's not really overpowering or anything, but it smells great. So let me show you guys. So I have my little palette here. So this just goes right in here. But the palette that I ordered is the 8 palette as well. It can fit 4 tins on each side. So I was actually thinking that on one side, I would have like my lip conditioner and some blushes. And then on the other side, I plan to have 2 highlights and then my contour and bronzer. So that is my plan with my initial palette. I haven't ordered any blushes yet, but I plan to here soon. I just wanted to kind of get started, you know. Honestly, kind of wish I would have ordered the basic kit instead of just the essentials, but I know the basic kit, it doesn't always come with like, you don't get to choose your tins, you know, so like sometimes it doesn't come with a bronzer, you know, it might not come with your specific shade that you are matched to. So that is why I ordered the essential kit, and then tomorrow my personalized palette comes in that I ordered. I was just trying to kind of save money, honestly. So I thought that to get me started, I would start with the essentials and then build my products as I go. So anyways, I am super excited and pumped about everything I got in this essential kit. I can't wait to use it. So I will show you guys in my next video, me using the brushes, applying the makeup, and I will show you what I ordered then. But that is everything that comes in the essential kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about the Seint products, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.